Next question, bar magnet as an equivalent solenoid. Let us consider one solenoid. Length of the solenoid is 2L. Radius of the solenoid A, small a, radius of the solenoid. The number of turns per unit length is N. Also consider dx is a small element dx in the solenoid. X is the distance of the dx from the center of the solenoid, x. R is the distance of the point P from the center of the solenoid, O. Now the magnetic field on the axis of circular loop, already you know that one, previous chapter we learned, B is equal to mu naught IR square divided by 2 into x square plus R square whole power 3 by 2. This is a circular coil, R is the radius, X is the distance, P is at the point. So there is a magnetic field at the point, values already you know that one. So here R is the radius, X is the distance of the point from the center. You rewrite this equation compared to here. So here at the small element dx, because we consider small element dx, what happened? dB is equal to, same formula, dB is equal to changing, and because of dx means the B also changing, dB is equal to mu naught IA square, A square, here R square, R is the radius here, but here radius A, so substitute here A square divided by 2 into x square plus R square, x square plus A square. Here x square, how? R minus x, listen, x square. Here you see, you want to find this value, distance. So you want to find whole distance up to here, O to P R. Here we want dx to that point. So total value R minus this distance, R minus x, you will get dx to P point. So want to find this value only. So we can how to simplify from O to P R minus O to dx, x, R minus x. So x distance here, R minus x, this square here plus R square. R square means radius, here radius A. So A square whole power 3 by 2 into N into dx. How N into dx? Small element dx. Here number of turns, because single coil means N equal to 1. Here solenoid, number of turns. So N is the number of turns unit length. So N into dx. Here dB is equal to mu naught IA square divided by 2 into R minus x whole square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. Right. Here mu naught IA square N divided by 2 you take outside. Integration of minus L to plus L. The limitation minus L to plus L. How minus L to plus L? This is a one line, there is a horizontal line from minus level to positive side. That is just like a graph like. So you take one solenoid like this is a minus part to plus length. So the variation change from minus L to plus L. So limitation minus L to plus L. So dx by R minus x whole square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. Here you take this denominator value only, R minus x whole square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. For axial point, R is very greater than A and also very greater than X. Here A and X is very small compared to R. So R is the whole distance. If we compare to X and A, its R is very large distance. So X and A is neglected. So here you take this part, x square and A square neglected. So only R square only remaining, this square common 2 value. So x square and A square neglected because of A and X is very small. So R square whole power 3 value only remaining, square 2 and square is cancelled, R cube. So this total value will become R cube. So now substitute dB is equal to mu naught NIA square divided by 2 integration of minus L to plus L dx divided by this whole value will become R cube. So R cube. Now dB is equal to mu naught NIA square divided by 2 R cube. R cube you take outside because of only X only changing, R is a constant, you take outside R cube. Now integration of dx minus L2. You know that one, integration of dx is equal to x. So integration of dx, x upper limit L and lower limit minus L. So first you substitute upper limit plus L. Before substitute lower limit, you introduce one minus, then you substitute minus L. Then minus L. So minus of minus plus. So plus L 2L. So mu naught n IA square divided by 2R cube 2L. Here dB is equal to because of both sides you take integration also. So dB is equal to integration of dB is equal to mu naught n IA square L divided by R cube. So magnetic moment of solenoid. Already you know the formula for magnetic moment of solenoid. You know that one M is equal to IA. This is a common formula. Magnetic moment of solenoid IA. I is a current. A is a area. So you know that one here number of turns is there. Here number of turns. So number of turns means what happens here? You have to introduce M equal to N into IA. So N into IA. So M is equal to N into 2L. How N into 2L? Number of turns in 2L length. So the magnetic moment M is equal to number of turns in 2L I A. Area of the solenoid. Area of the solenoid is equal to pi A square. Pi A square means just like that circle shape. This is the area of the circle pi A square. A is the radius. So total magnetic moment N 2L I pi A square. Now you multiply N I 2L pi A square. Now you take 2 pi cross multiply N I A square L 2 pi. The 2 pi cross multiply M by 2 pi is equal to N I A square M by 2 pi. Because of this value substitute here. So now the M by 2 pi value substitute here. Here N I A square L. N I A square L. Here you substitute M by 2 pi. So you will get 2 in 1. B is equal to B means what? Here integration of dB is nothing but total magnetic field. B is equal to mu naught N I A square L is nothing but N I A square by L by R cube. Here N I A square L is nothing but M by 2 pi. So you already know that one M by 2 pi. So substitute. So M by 2 pi here. So N I A square L is equal to N by 2 pi. So here N I A square L instead of this 3 value is nothing but M by 2 pi. Substitute. So M by 2 pi R cube. So B is equal to mu naught M by 2 pi R cube. So here this is a magnetic field formula. So here multiply and dividing by 2. So 2M into 2 4. So mu naught by 4 pi 2M by R cube. This is a very important formula.